purchase a Shopify plan, follow these steps. Visit Shopify website. Go to the Shopify website and navigate to the pricing page. Select a plan. Shopify offers various plans tailored to different business needs, such as Basic, Shopify, and Advanced. Choose the plan that aligns with your requirements. Click on Choose Plan. Once you've selected the plan, click on the Choose Plan button associated with that plan. Enter email and store name. Provide your email address and choose a name for your Shopify store. This information is used to set up your account. Enter store details. Fill in details like your store name, address, and other relevant information. Choose a domain. You can either use a domain you already own or purchase a new one through Shopify. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Enter payment information. Enter your payment details to complete the purchase. Shopify accepts various payment methods, including credit or debit cards and PayPal. Review and confirm. Review your order summary, including the plan details and any additional services you've selected. Once you're satisfied, confirm the purchase. Complete purchase. After confirming your order, Shopify will process your payment and set up your account. You will receive a confirmation email with instructions on how to access your new Shopify store. Access your Shopify dashboard. Log into your Shopify account using the credentials provided in the confirmation email, and you can start building your online store.